Make a great choice today with the 2023 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.